Elon Musk is known for his outlandish claims and ideas. He is the founder of electric car company Tesla and space exploration company SpaceX. He was born in South Africa and has some crazy ideas for the future. Among his ideas are the Hyperloop, a futuristic transportation system, a human colony on Mars aided by affordable space travel, linking our brains to the computer and developing microsatellites to provide low-cost internet access to the masses. And as a result of all this, Musk is one of the unique entrepreneurs of our time. So let's start to see some of the interesting facts about Elon Musk and his futuristic venture. Elon Musk created and sold Blaster, a space fighting game, for $500 when he was just 12 years old to PC and Office Technology magazines. Musk also worked for a gaming startup, Rocket Science.
Fact number 2. According to S. Levens, who is the author of Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX and the guest for a fantastic future. Musk almost sold Tesla to Google for $11 billion in 2013, but Musk demanded the page handovers control to Tesla to him for next 8 years.
Fact number 3. Musk's first business venture was the foundation of Zip2, a company that provided newspapers with maps and business directories, and was later sold to Compaq for $307 million.
Fact number 4. Elon Musk, with his mother, sister and brother, moved from South Africa to Canada.
And when he was just 17 years old, he studied for 2 years in Kingston University, and the university awarded him 2 degrees, one in physics and the other in economics. Later, he did his PhD in applied physics from Stanford University in California. He dropped out after 2 days to start Zip2 Corporation with his brother in order to provide licensed online city guides for newspaper publishers. In 1999, he sold the company. Fact number 6. Elon Musk purchased a James Bond classic submarine car at London in 2013. The submarine was reportedly purchased for $968,000 by SpaceX CEO. Fact number 7. Musk and his roommate Andy Orezi rented a large house and converted it into a nightclub. According to the survey, the club could hold up to 1,000 people, so it was not a small setup. Fact number 8. At SpaceX headquarters, Elon Musk runs a school called AD Astra, which means to the stars. Musk's children, as well as the children of some SpaceX employees, attend the school. Fact number 9. Elon Musk unveiled the concept of Hyperloop in August 12, 2013, an extremely fast and cheap transportation system using a big vacuum-sealed tube. It's also known as a trillionaire for high-tech entrepreneur who wants to make science fiction a reality. Fact number 10, and the last but not the least, X.com, which later became PayPal, was the source of Elon Musk's initial fortune. Musk co-founded X.com in 1999, which was later purchased by eBay for $1.5 billion. Musk made around $180 million from this deal. We hope that you learned a lot from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe channel 2.0.